Hi students, so let's start our class now. Yeah, it's heavy raining on my side here. So maybe you're there also heavy raining. So please, if any Wi-Fi unstable, right? So you may check it lah. Okay, you may join again, yeah. Okay, so we are going to this one question 2. You may turn to page 101. I will go through the page question 2. I will complete the chapter 3 today. As I know some students will going to the chapter 5 or already teach the chapter 4, right? Okay, so that's why again, and by next week, I need to teach you the chapter 4. I will spend much time, okay, maybe 3 weeks, okay, on the chapter 4.2. That one is almost 100%, 99% must come out in 99% come out in your your year SPM 2024. Okay, so now this one teacher guide you already, isn't it? For the way how to do it, correct? Okay, for the way how to do it, which is this part. Wait, okay, I want you all, please, for those who didn't print out the document here, you may using your textbook, page 101, but please make sure it is the Chembaka, Sari, and the price. Because for the Buku text got the 2 version, old version and the new version. So new version got a few question is different with the old version one, but I'm not sure this one is the old or new because teacher screenshot from the plate. Okay, so I want you all turn on this one, and then I want you all try to do step 1 and step 2. I give you 1 minute, step 1 and step 2. Okay, you did.
Yeah, it's at
Oh,
school.
okay. For those who get from the Buku, using the Buku text, right? As I know, maybe your Buku text, maybe your senior then did for you already. You got the answer, right? So please rub it, okay, and then redo again because this is the last question I got you. I don't spend much time on this one because I'm more focused on your SPM trial exam and the SPM seminar. For your midterm exam, so you just ready what I mentioned to you, or especially the AP dan UA maklumat tambahan PKK, right? So 100% you can pass. Okay, but for those who didn't not willing to memorize the maklumat tambahan lah, and then AP dan UA lah, PKK lah, you go to do others chapters, others easiest one. So sure you can't aim for the past one. Okay, because your AP dan UA maklumat tambahan, AP PKK 100% come out in your midterm exam. Okay, okay, for your midterm exam, and then you check back your school teacher lah, what chapters might come out. Teacher is focus on your trial exam and SPM seminar. So you all get ready lah early. Okay, 1 minute step 1 and step 2. Come, did it 4:39, then I will explain. Okay, time's up. So for first step 1, who can answer my question? Semak number check yang pertama dalam buku Tunai kredit. Dalam buku Tunai kredit. Who can answer my question? What is your answer for step 1? Huh? For step 1. Okay, great. How about online student? Online student? What does it mean? Buku Tunai. So you see, you get the Buku Tunai over here, right? credit. So which is this part, credit, isn't it? Okay, and then semak number check pertama. So which mean this one buku tunai, and then this part, correct? And then this is the number check column, isn't it? Okay, so you see yang pertama, which is 520041, correct? 520041, correct? Okay, for 520041, so this is your first number check. First number check. Maybe you can drop it down there. Okay, 520041. Please do focus, yeah. I just teach you one. This is last week, right? Teacher teach you is dengan mengemas kini buku tunai. Today I will guide you tanpa mengemas kini buku tunai. Tanpa. Okay, please do focus here. Okay, so now continue. Step 2. Batalkan number check dalam penyata bank. Only cancel the number which is before the first number check in buku tunai credit. Okay, so maybe you don't understand, right? Okay, so now you see batalkan number check. So batalkan, you all understand, right? Okay, so and then number check dalam penyata bank. So penyata bank, can you see the penyata bank over here? Okay, and then can you see the column number check here? Correct. Okay, so now only cancel the number which is before the first number check in buku tunai credit, which means so for this is your number ones, right? Step ones, right? This is number one, step 1. So you come back here. Okay, number check here. And then which one is the before 520041? Which one? Which one need to pangka? For which one? Oh, okay. So 520040. Yeah, 14. The date 14. Yes, online student, please do give me the response. Okay, so 14 it is considered 420040, right? 4040. So which means it is before the date over here and the number check over here. So how? Cancel, right? So please cancel from the date to the end here. Okay. Next, any else? Double checking. Any others before 520041? Yes or no? No, right? Okay, very good. If no, then okay. So step 2, step 1, step 2 done already. Okay. So now going to step 3. Okay, I give you 1 minute. Come. You may try the step 3 now. Step 3. 1 minute. 4:45. Then I will start step 3. Discuss.
Only
Same.
only this one and number, right? This one and this one tak.
Pangka also. No need check.
No need check.
Yes. If any question, then you may ask me because you are doing, I give you 1 minute to do the question. So you can ask me, maybe you can unmute yourself and then to ask teacher, yeah. Okay, time's up. So now come back to step 3 here. Bandingkan buku tunai debit dan penyata bank kredit or masuk kecuali bagi BB dan bagi HB here. Okay, so for this one, if you don't understand, so you see bandingkan, you all know already, right? Compare. Buku tunai debit, so you go to find a bit and a bit. Buku tunai, correct? So this is the buku tunai, and then sebelah debit. So here, this part. Dan penyata bank credit or masuk. So this is the penyata bank. And then this is the credit. Sometimes they not mention credit. They will change to masuk. That's why teacher will give you both. Okay, this is based on a 17 years teaching experience and then 17 years past year paper, right? Okay, so you may go through the past year paper also, or maybe the some set paper. So they will change to the masuk. Okay, So kecuali BB dan HB. So which means for this one, you no need to do the comparison. No need to do compare. Okay. So batalkan bagi butiran yang sama. Last week teacher asked you to write down amount yang sama. Amount yang sama. Okay. For those who last week didn't write down, please last chance for you to write down. Yeah. Okay. So you may write down amount yang sama if you don't understand butiran everything. Can I? Okay, now, so based on this rectangle and this rectangle, then you go to do the double checking. Can? So now we check through here. So here 1005. Can we find 1005 here? Yes or no? Online student, so maybe you can give me Y or N. Yes, right? Yes, how? Both pangka, right? You all understand the pangka, right? So which means cancer. Correct? Okay, so you're correct. Both correct. I don't like either one only. Okay, so next continue. 1008. 1000. Oh, sorry, here. 1008. Do we have the 1008? Both can find the 1008, isn't it? So here and here, correct? Okay, so next, then you do pangka, 1008 pangka. Okay. So next continue. 1005. Can we find 1005? Yes or no? 1005. Can or not? Over here, got a 1005 or not? No, right? How? If no, how? We do circle. Okay, we draw circle. Please draw. Okay. Next, continue. 1001. Do we have the 1001 both sides? Yes or no? Where is my 1001? No, right? No, how? Very good. Circle. So as long as you focus, right, during the class, right? Okay, and then you got do the extra homework, then sure you understand. Spend on much time. Okay, no need to like look for the personal class, everything. So next 3670, got or not? Got right. 3670 both also got right. So how? Pangka, okay? So that's why teacher will run a bit fast, yeah? Okay, I want to make sure by today I complete these chapters. Next week, going to the new chapters, yeah? Okay, 800. Do we have the 800 over here? No, right? So how? If no? Yes, bulatkan. Okay, so bulatkan. Next, continue. 1005. Can you find 1005 over here? Both can find 1005? No, right? How? Circle. Okay, next, continue. 900. Can we find the 900 over here? Yes, right? Then how? Circle, isn't it? Correct? Is it circle? No. If both got, then no, yeah. So we pangka, okay? And the last one, 200 here. Can we find 200 here? No, then how? Circle. Can you see this one, the butiran here? HB. Right? So can you see teacher write down here, kecuali HBBB. Don't do careless. Why I give you this tricky, right? Because I got a student, then every time, every year, so they did, some of them did careless lah. So it's kesian, yeah. You can't get the full marks here. Okay? And then come this one, you all circle already, right? So come back to your Penyata Bank credit side. Which one is which number don't pangka? Then you go to draw circle. Okay, go to draw circle like your 500. So step 3 done already. It looks like so complicated, but actually once you understand, sure is a feel easiest. Correct? Understand? Okay, now go to the step 4. I give you 1 minute for 53, then I will discuss step 4. So you double check is your answer correct or not? You did correct or not? Okay, yeah? Don't play phone, everyone. Sometimes a teacher is a feel so sad one, you know. Because teacher teach you so seriously, and then at the end, then your result fail already. I'm so sad, you know, because account cannot last minute, but you all like not so look like the no listen my advice one, so love to do the last minute one. So that's why, and then one I ask you all update the result to teacher, right? So and then all the chapters and then all the question, and then mostly most of it, majority then come out in the exam already. You get the tips, but why still cannot get a good result one? And please update teacher when is your exam, okay? Because some students their exam in the end of the May, okay? Today is a today is the Mother's Day, or you all got celebrate,
Me?
Ah.
Just like tulis note.
Oh, my girl not yet.
Forgot code.
Forgot.
Maybe
No, I
surprise,
remind
surprise, surprise.
I remind my girl from yesterday already and from last week already. You know, my girl are 12 years old already. Oh, thanks, Disalini. You know, my girl so her best friend is important than me, you know.
Oh, wow.
So teacher become jealous already. Her best friend. Her best friend is next 2 weeks, then birthday, and then my girl in April, then all prepare the present for her, and then ask mommy, can you take order? I pay you the money back. Then I ask, hey, how about Mother's Day? Okay, now come back to the step 4. Okay, so now double checking your answer, is it correct or not? Yeah. Okay, bantingkan buku tunai kredit dan Penyata Bank debit keluar kecuali BB dan HP, batalkan bagi amount yang sama. Okay, so it look like it's so complicated. Maybe you one by one bantingkan. So we do comparison. Buku tunai kredit. So you see this is a buku tunai. And then here it is a sebelah credit. After that, dan Penyata Bank credit, right? So this is the Penyata Bank. And then sebelah credit. Okay. So kecuali BB dan HP. So kecuali BB HP lah. Okay. So wait which means we do comparison this box and this box, and then isap BB HP kecuali. And please write down, last week teacher asked you to add on here, batalkan bagi butiran yang sama. So please write down there, need to double checking your number check as well. Make sure your number check must be same number. Amount and number check must same. Okay, because I forgot which year. Not the past year question, this one. It is one of my students, the school exam, they come out this tricky. Okay, so number check different but amount same. Can I? But for this one, batalkan, pangka must both same, then you only batalkan. Okay, now we compare BB. Want to do comparison? Okay, biarkan, no need. 970 520041 Can we find here? Same number check, same same number check, same figure. Yeah, amount. Got or not? Got right? So you see 520041 and then 970, isn't it? Okay, so now both got, then how? Pangka. Okay, so we do cancellation here. Next, continue. 5200042 can find 5200042. Yes, right. Both also got right. Okay, so Pangka. Okay, so next continue. 1001 520043. Can we find the 520043? Yes, right. So maybe you ask, hey, teacher, here got the same number, but the different amount, different account. Same number check, both also same, 520043, but this one is a 1000, this one is a 1001, correct? Okay, so maybe for those who forgot already, maybe you can write down there yourself, okay? If same number check, but different amount, which means kesilapan. Okay, which means kesilapan. So please drop it down yourself. Okay, maybe you can write down there. Okay, so for this one, kesilapan, last week teacher guide you already. For the kesilapan, then we need to draw triangle. So please draw a big triangle there. It stands for kesilapan. Okay, bulat is only for the ketinggalan, yeah. Okay, so for this one, and maybe you can write down and K, the big K there. It is a stand for the kesilapan. So at least then you know lah. Okay, write the K there. Okay, so next come back here, continue. 500 520044. Can we find 500 520044? Yes or no? Yes, right. So you see this one 520044 500, and then this one also 520044 500, isn't it? So then Pangka, and then Pangka. Okay, next continue. 52004 2006. Can you find? Same number check, same amount. Yes, right. 520045 and then 2006 here, correct? Okay, so then Pangka. Okay, next continue. Come back here, 3003 520046. Do we have the 3003 520046? No, right? Then know how? Yes, bulatkan, circle. Okay, you circle. Next, continue. 520047 500. Can we find the 520047 500 over here? Yes, right. So you see both also got 520047 500 here also. Okay, both account you find already. Then how? Pangka. Yes, very good. So you do Pangka. And the last one, 450. Can we find 450? And with the same number check account? No, right? Then how? Yes, bulatkan, Pangka. And the last one, 1002 520049. Can we find here? No, right? Okay, no, then how? Pangka. Pangka ke? If no, circle. Okay, so please. Okay, so done already. So you check through your Penyata Bank as well. Check through your Penyata Bank as well. Okay, so which one for this column, which number check is still didn't circle yet or pangka yet, right? Still didn't pangka yet, then you go to do the circle, for example, 40 and 150. Is it everyone same with my answer? Yeah. Okay, everyone can same with my it's same with my one, right? Okay, so now step 5, go through the step 5. Maklumat tambahan chat talaku kesilapan. Okay, I give you 1 minute. Find the maklumat tambahan chat talaku kesilapan. Okay, later on you give me the amount. What amount is stand for the chat talaku? What amount is a kesilapan?
Oh, please.
Okay, so maklumat tambahan. So we refer here maklumat tambahan. Cek yang diterima pada 20 March 2018 dipulangkan oleh bank dengan tanda rujuk penyuruh bayar. Highlight rujuk penyuruh bayar. It stand for? Yes, okay. Sometimes it's a penyuruh, sometimes they write down pensuruh, yeah. Okay, so as long as you see this meaning or the dipulangkan oleh bank, it meanwhile chat talaku. So can write down there it is a stand for chat talaku. And which figure is stand for the chat talaku? Which figure? 20th March 2018. So check diterima. We only check the buku Tunai. So last week teacher explained to you already. For chat talaku, for your SPMs, right? Okay, now out of the K-BAT lah, okay. So based on the past year paper, more than 10 years past year paper, only come out the buku Tunai. Okay, so you refer the buku Tunai. Can? And then after that, diterima. So last week teacher got you already. Must refer the debit side. Debit side. Form 4, chapter 4, you learn already. And then dipulangkan oleh bank. So which mean, which one? 20th. Can you see this one? 20th. Kasturi and the price 800. Can you see this one? Okay, refer the debit side. Please write down there. Okay, refer the buku Tunai debit side. For those who don't understand, worry forgot, right? Maybe you can drop it down on your buku rujukan here. Okay, write down yourself. Okay, so refer buku Tunai. Okay, the method how to do, refer buku Tunai, then sebelah debit. Why? Because sebelah debit is wang diterima. Okay, so write down there. So then we know that it is the Kasturi and the price is chat talaku. Please beside the Kasturi and the price write down CTL. 800 is chat talaku. Okay. Then going to the number 2, cek yang dikeluarkan bernombor 520043 dikenal pasti berlaku kesilapan. So then keyword 520043 kesilapan keyword. So you go to find your 520043. You see this one. Wait, I change color first. So you see this one 520043. And this one, 520043, we did early just now. It is a kesilapan. So done already. Okay, Okay, so today I will teach you tanpa. Okay, so they will mention, through the question they will mention, then want you to do tanpa or dengan. So the pattern dengan, teacher already explained to you, guide you last week. Can you see? Come back here, do some revision last week. Okay, so the question pattern, it either come out this pattern, it stand for, it mean dengan, or they come out this pattern, got 1 and 2 like that, got mentioned buku Tunai. Okay, got mentioned buku Tunai, 1 or 2. Okay, for those who didn't copy, please quickly take a photo, yeah, or wait for the video. Okay, so this meanwhile using dengan format. Okay, but come back here, if like this questions, come back the question over here ya. Your soalan page 101. So Anda dikehendaki menyediakan penyata bank pada 31st March 2018 bermula dengan bagi debit penyata bank. Can you see this one? Bermula dengan bagi debit penyata bank. Okay, so meanwhile, tanpa. It meanwhile, tanpa. Can see the difference? But usually in exams, right, mostly they don't mention. They just stop here until the date over here, like here, this one. Okay, so this is another pattern. So they never mention starting from the Penyata Bank or starting from the Buku Tunai. They just like this one only. That's it. So this one is stand for Tanpa, Mengemas, Kini, Buku Tunai. Can see here? Okay, again, for those who don't understand, please again. Okay, for how we know that tanpa, because in exams, right, they don't mention too much. It is tanpa lah or the dengan. Okay, so how we know that? So through the question pattern. Okay, one of the question pattern is like this one. Bermula dengan penyata bank or bermula dengan buku Tunai. Okay, so or usually they will like this one. Okay, yeah. Okay, I write down for you a full so many patterns, yeah. Okay, so I show you here. This is a pattern 1, and then the other one which is, and then here bermula dengan penyata bank, and then the other one is bermula dengan buku Tunai. Okay, can see the difference, So they got mentioned bermula which format, okay, or they didn't mention just like this pattern. It's meanwhile tanpa. Okay, so again, I show you here more clearly. Okay, can see for this side. Oops. Okay, so can you see this one? Tanpa dengan, right? Dengan, they might ask you got the 2 pattern mah. Okay, so the first one they got mentioned dengan mengemas kini. Okay, this one is a direct lah. So or else they do indirect. So which is they got to mention buku Tunai yang dikemas kini, which mean using the dengan mengemas kini buku Tunai format. What you learned last week. Okay, for those who forgot, please refer back the last week homework. Okay, and our discussion. And then for today, right, tanpa, right, for the tanpas, right, they got the 3 pattern here. 3 pattern. Actually, it's a 5 pattern, Okay, so I don't give you too much. So the first pattern, usually mostly they will just like this one. Penyata Penyesuaian bank pada 31st March, like this one. Okay, never mention is dengan or mengemas kini. Okay, so dengan or tanpa. Can you see this one? Can the different I highlight again Okay, so or else they will mention starting from which books, either bank statement or the buku Tunai. So this meanwhile it is a bank tanpa mengemas kini buku Tunai. This is a pattern tanpa mengemas buku Tunai. Understand here? Okay, so and then or maybe you ask, hey teacher, how about this one? Come back to the questions here. You see the question here mentioned baki debit penyata bank. Some they more details. Okay, got mentioned baki debit or credit, right? As long as you see here, this is the bermula dengan. Some you see bermula dengan. Sometimes they will more details, which mean they will like mention baki debit or baki credit. As long as you can find bermula dengan and then which statement. So we know that it is the Tanpa Mengemas Buku Tunai. Understand here, everyone? So if Tanpa, right, you just do one format enough. Okay, later on I will show you. For dengan, right, what we did last week. So can you see the dengan? Okay, for dengan, we need to redo the Buku Tunai. Okay, but for Tanpa, okay, Tanpa we direct, so which means no need do Buku Tunai. So you direct to Penyata Penyesuaian bank. Understand, huh? Okay. So you maybe you can get some tips from your school teacher. Okay, so for the coming midterm exam, got come out this one or not? If not, then maybe you can skip for this one first. Okay, for you this one not sure yet. Okay, I need to do the analysis of SPM 2024 got come out or not. Can okay, but last 2 years come out already. And this one only come out in your section B. Yeah. So that's why please do focus your maklumat tambahan again. AP, WR, PKK, every week I mention, right? Okay. So please focus that one. It might come out 100% come out section A, 25 marks at least. Sometimes they come out section B also. So up to 45 marks. Okay, yeah? Okay, now come back here. For the method how to do for this ones, right? So I show you here. Okay, so come back here. Which one? Penyata Penyesuaian bank. You see, this one, Tanpa, right? We got a 2 format. Can you see here? Maybe your school teacher just got you 1 format only. Okay, or maybe your teacher got you 2 format. So it's 2 format good for you lah. Okay, so for Kaedah 2, we got the 2 format. Okay, either starting from the Buku Tunai. Can you see this one? Buku Tunai. Okay, bermula dengan bagi di Buku Tunai. The other one, it is bermula dengan Penyata bank, starting from the Penyata bank. Okay. Actually, it's an up to 90% in your SPMs, right? If come out this pattern, they didn't mention you must starting which one, which statement. Again, in for past few years, right? The SPM syllabus, the exam paper. So they didn't mention you must starting from which one. They just mentioned Tanpa until here. Enough. Okay, so which means you got the option. You want to start Penyata bank or you want to start Buku Tunai also can. Understand? As long as no mention. Again, you see, come back based on the past few tense as the exam paper, right? Okay, so mostly they don't mention must starting from which amount, which statement. So if they don't mention, so you may using the first method, okay? I mean the first format, starting from Buku Tunai, or you want to starting from Penyata bank, also acceptable. Understand? Okay? Okay. So most of it no mention based on the SPM trial exam and sebenar lah. For your midterm, I'm not sure lah. Okay. So come back here. Since this question is bermula dengan Penyata bank mah. So maybe you highlight again, bermula dengan Penyata bank. Penyata bank. Can you see? That's one. Penyata bank. Okay, this one I don't give you the format here. I don't give you the format here. Okay, I don't give you to print out. It's okay. No worry. Later on got cheating one. Okay, so you refer here first, then I will explain you after we complete this question. Okay, so now come. Okay. So since we're starting from the Penyata Bank, right? Okay, I give you, you may try, you may try this one. Step 1, can you refer here? You read yourself and then you try to do, because these statements, right, the explanation, right, is the same like the last week. Okay, you may try it. One minute, 5:17, then I explain. Can see. Okay. Oh, not sure time's up. Left few seconds. Come, you may try. Okay, come. See your answer correct or not. Can Okay, now you see, teacher highlight here, which means every time is fixed already. Okay, you just memorize, copy and paste on it. What you need to change it, either you change to the debit or the credit. Understand? How to get the figure here? Please, everyone, do focus here. You just left half an hour something, then with me. Okay, please do spend much time with teacher, yeah? Okay, now you see step 1, copy from Penyata Bank soalan. You see teacher mentioned soalan, right? So soalan, come back to your buku text here, okay, your documents here. So can you see this part is a Penyata Bank, isn't it, right? Okay, so come back here, take the figure which is the last baki. So can you see the baki column here? This is the baki column, isn't it? Okay, last. So last is how much? Last. So this ones, right? You got a lot of the figure over here, but teacher mentioned last. Maybe you highlight over here, yeah, for those who not like to read all here, correct? Okay. So the last, how much is it? 240, isn't it? This one is not considered last lah. This one is not considered last lah, correct? So you must know lah. So this is which means 240. So you highlight there, 240. And then can you see the DT? Do you understand the DT stand for? Debit. Yeah. So then you copy paste over here. Baki debit di Penyata Bank. Understand here? Okay. And then after, yeah. Okay. So you see this one, if maybe you ask, how about no mention? No mention, never mention DT or KT here, then what mean? Meanwhile, credit, yeah. Okay. So you see, I show you two others example here. You see, come back to the last week homeworks, right? Last week discussion here. You see for the Baki over here, hey teacher, for these soalans never mention debit credit. Then how yeah? Okay, again, for this one, don't mention is automatic KT. Understand? Okay, so come back here, you see, if positive means credit, if negative means debit. Can you see here again? If positive means credit, if negative means debit. Okay, So, and then maybe you can drop it down yourself. You see, this is the debit. So for those who don't understand the nota here, maybe you can circle that, don't circle lah. Use your right pen, okay? And then you try to highlight, you see, right, this one, can see this one, okay? So debit is stand for negative. Debit is stand for negative. You see, teacher here mentioned already. Debit, which means negative, which means you need to do bracket. Okay, so I know it's a quite complicated, a lot of need to understanding and memorizing. So actually it's a fix already. What you need, you try, maybe some you can, you are the fast learner. Some you need to do 2 to 3 questions, or need to learn 2 to 3 times, then you only can understand, correct? Okay, so please spend much time on your account, yeah? So for this one, which means, come back this question, sorry. Where is my question? This one's right. Bucker, yeah. So, which means, do I need to bracket? For this one, 240 here, do I need to bracket over here? Come, online student, please answer teacher. 240 debit, do I need to do the bracket over here? Yes, right. Why? You see, debit means negative. Can you see this one is a debit? So please do the bracket 240. Okay, so write down there, bracket 240. Then no marks. Okay, because you copy paste lah. Mostly no marks lah, depends lah, of course, the examiner. Okay. Oops, where is it? This right. Okay, continue here. So, come back here. Tanpa deposit belum dikreditkan. Last week, teacher asked you to highlight, isn't it? So, please highlight this one fixed already. This one fixed already. Okay? So, you don't ask teacher why fixed already. You go, I also don't know. Actually, I want to ask the local partially, but it's not here. Okay? So, that's why we just can follow the method. Okay? Like the format. Right? So, like, you all like mathematics, the keturunan. I forgot the English how to call lah. Ingredients. Yeah. Okay, because on my year is I'm learning the max is a Malay. Then you can guess how old am I lah. Okay, so now come back here. You see, just copy paste on it. Tanpa deposit belum dikreditkan. So can you see this one, step 2, step 3, step 4, right? So please follow the susunan. Don't like try to like, oh, you are so smart student, then you want to challenge, okay, I do the step 3 first, then after that I go into the step 2. Sorry, like if like that, then why I mention here 2, 3, 4 like that. Follow, okay. So now come baca the step 2. Record ketinggalan buku Tunai debit. Okay, for those who don't understand ketinggalan, right? You may circle, use your right pen, circle, and then you may write down circle, which means the symbol circle. Okay, circle. Understand here? So you see buku Tunai debit. Buku Tunai debit. Right? So which is this one? Buku Tunai. Okay, just now you did already, ma. Buku Tunai. And then sebelah debit. Correct? This one. So just now you got the circle, right? So which field figure is a circle?
1500, 1100.
1500, okay. 100, and then
800
800
and 150.
1500. Okay. So the 800 is considered check tak laku. Yes, correct. Wait, okay. Okay, so now then you copy paste, which means 1500, and then 1100, and then the chat tak laku put away first, yeah. Chat tak laku put away first, yeah. Okay, and come back here, please, everyone. Please put down your pencil. Look for the string here, my string here. Can you see some is got the masuk sikit, kanan sikit, right? Some is a kiri sikit. Can see ah? Okay, again can you see the answer over here? The butiran answer over here. Some is masuk sikit. Some it is keluar sikit, right? Okay, so please follow for the step 2 here. Step 2 here must starting from the belum here. Must starting from the belum here. You must differentiate for the buku Tunai, everything step 2 buku Tunai. So which means you must starting from the belum here. Maybe you ask, hey teacher, my school teacher teach me never in and out lah. Okay, so maybe your school teacher, right? So no mention and no different, right? And no matter it's buku Tunai lah or copy from the Penyata Bank lah. So it is all straight here. Just worry your SPMs, right? The SPM sebenar is not your school teacher marking, it's your others school teacher marking, right? So if you're unlucky, that teacher is very strict, so they don't mark this one. Okay, I got a student, so luckily it's a midterm exam. The student no listening my class, right? Okay, so all direct the strict one, no different need in or out. So the school teacher direct give this no mark for this answer. Okay, so I'm not sure your school teacher is strict or not. So better you follow the SPM syllabus lah. Okay, so please do write down, yeah. Okay, for the step 2, okay, everyone copy from the buku Tunai David, unless the cek talaku. Just now teacher mentioned already, cek talaku biarkan dulu. So you may, if you forgot, right? So maybe you can drop it down here. Biar kecuali cek talaku, not include cek talaku first for your step 2. Okay, please do write down there yourself. Okay, so come back here. So which is the 1001, 1005, 1005. So then starting from your belum there, in 1001 kedai runci Inram. So you copy paste Inram.
1005 is Michael.
Oh, 1005 is, oh, my kedai Michael. Okay, okay. Michael. Another 1005?
Tamping.
Kedai Tamping. Okay. Can okay? Understand? Okay, so step 2 done ready, right? Come back here, step 3. Step 3, can you see this one? Step 3, everyone. Okay, record ketinggalan Penyata Bank debit or keluar. So maybe you highlight that. Okay, ketinggalan, please use your red pen, circlekan, and then tulis kat sana, circle. Okay, can Okay, so Penyata Bank. So this one is a Penyata Bank lah. Right. Okay, and then debit. This one typo DBIT debit. So which means this one. Okay, debit. Okay. So and then circle. Just now what figure is you circle already?
For this one
Uh-huh.
40, 150.
40 and
150.
150. Okay.
And the triangle is the 1000.
Oh, triangle is 1000. Triangle is not considered circle, yeah?
Plus 8, right?
Yes. Which one? 1000.
Yeah, 1000.
Okay, this is triangle, but teacher already got you here. It is circle. So you just only can show the, do the circle only. So which is 40 and 150. Understand, everyone? So for these ones, right? Okay, out. You see, can you see this one? Okay, come back my note here. So for your step 3 is out. It's okay, you want to starting here. Okay, for the charge bank over here, you want to start over here, also acceptable. Or you want to start the deposit over here, also acceptable. Both acceptable. But please don't start your belum here, yeah. which means 40 buku check, right? Not allowed to starting from this one, buku check, like this one. No, yeah. Or maybe you ask, hey teacher, how about I do starting from the dikreditkan, this part? No, yeah. Okay, you see dikreditkan, no. So you see it is the pattern is different already. Okay, so this part, this one is in for the buku tunai, in for Penyata Bank, everything Penyata Bank, out. Okay, so which means you got the two options. Either you starting from the Tanpa here, okay, do it like this one, or else you can starting from the deposit here. As long as then you know in and out lah. Can see this one is in, this one is out. Okay, some student maybe they argue to the teacher, hey teacher, I got the in and out lah, why you don't give me the marks one? So they do like this one. They do like this one. I also don't know how to give you the marks in and out. They do like this one. Can consider in and out. Can different. I please lah, you all do, you want to get marks, then you do the big difference ma. Almost like the same one. Okay, yeah? Okay, so please. Okay, so the big bezel. Next, continue. 154, which is a faedah atas bank. But please, you don't like this one. You see, buku check, you're starting here, and then your faedah like this one. Hey, how come got the 3 range here? Okay, not allowed lah. Your account is a 2 range only, ma. Okay, done. Can okay, 1 mark, 1 mark, 1 mark. So here you got a 5 marks here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 marks here. Okay, so and then before the step 4, right? Please, maybe you write down there. Maybe you can write down there, included check tak laku. For step 3, included check tak laku. You go to find your check tak laku. It's okay, no worry. And maybe you ask, teacher, the check tak laku is from the Buku Tunai. Yeah, okay. So from the Buku Tunai. But why we do it in the for the following step over here? Yeah, okay. Because your check tak laku, it is from the bank information. You see, dipulangkan oleh bank. That's why it is considered Penyata Bank. Okay, so that's why you write down over here. You may write down check tak laku. If you don't want, you can mention who is it. Kasturi Enterprise, and then you dash or bracket up to you, and then cannot write CTL. Okay, check tak laku like this one. So 800 like this. So you get another 1 mark. So here 6 marks already. Understand? Can everyone?
Okay.
Okay, okay. Okay, step 4, we love it first. Step 4, because step 4, right, can be the debit, can be the credit, can be the tanpa, can be the tolak. So you see kesilapan, both kesilapan. It might in debit or credit, okay, plus or minus. So later on, okay, maybe, which means, so you get ready at least 2 column here, 2 column here. Oh, not 2 column, 3 column. Okay, you do the 3 column here. You space 3 column, and then here you write now tolak cek belum dikemukakan. Cek belum dikemukakan. Okay. For the cek belum dikemukakan, right? Okay, you see maybe teacher empty here. Hey, teacher here do explanation or how Okay, so maybe you write down there totally different with 2, 3, 4. Totally different with the 2, 3, 4. Opposite. Opposite. Step 2, 3, and 4. Okay, what mean? Maybe you ask, hey teacher, what does mean as opposite 2, 3, 4? I don't understand. Okay, so listening now. Okay, you see on the top here, It is a record ketinggalan buku Tunai debit, isn't it? Right now, okay, so which means record buku Tunai credit. Record buku Tunai credit. Of course, circle that one the circle What circle in your buku Tunai credit? Okay, then you as your answer. As your answer. So buku Tunai. Okay, come back here. This is a buku Tunai. And then sebelah credit. So just now your circle, what amount you do circle?
That one. 3,300,
3,300,
450,
450,
and 1,000.
1,002. Okay, just now, so we do the discussion, 430 some things, right? Okay, so then we do the circle 3,000, 450, 1,002, right? So this one as your answer already. Understand? Yeah. So opposite step 2, 3, 4. Okay. So now then we do it here. Copy paste 3,003 and then 450 and then 1,002. After that, you see, this is a buku Tunai, right? Buku Tunai. Every time buku Tunai, right? So please record in, starting from belum, okay? Starting from belum. So you write down there, starting from belum, and then which is pernyataan kasih, and then belanjaan, and then gaji. Everything is regarding the buku Tunai must in, which means starting from the belum, yeah. And then after that, better you write down number check here, 520046. Maybe you ask, hey teacher, my school teacher just show the number check only, yeah, can too. Okay, either you show the number check or either you give both. Okay, better you give both lah. You refer the buku text, right? So the reference is the both. Can Belanjaan is 48. Gaji is 49. Then you get 3 marks here. Can? Okay,
Okay.
Okay, so next continue. Okay, come back here. You see, step 3. So your step 3 just now is record ketinggalan penyata bank debit. Penyata bank debit. Now you change to penyata bank credit. And then circle. What you circle in your penyata bank credit, right? So you did it. Okay, so come back here. Penyata bank. And then this is the credit side. So what you circle just now?
Sure.
For penyata bank credit.
Penyata bank credit 500.
Only. Okay, so you just 500 only. So you copy paste 500 over here. Penyata banks, right? So no need space, yeah, which means out, yeah, okay, make it out. So this one, it is dividend, Mastercard. So you get another 1 marks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 marks here already. Okay, Can? Okay. Can, Okay, step 4, which is the kesilapan. Using the method there. Last week, what I teach you the method. So your kesilapan, which is the 1,000, just now you did already, right? Yes. And then the kesilapan 1,100, and then just now you write out the K over here. And then last week, teacher already, please, we study with teacher for the Penyata Penyesuaian bank, everyone. So you see here, it is kesilapan, right? For your SPM nowadays, kesilapan, look for the buku Tunai unless K but so that is not under my control, yeah. Okay, so for past 17 years paper, so only refer kesilapan, only refer your buku tunai. So you ask yourself, sebelah debit or credit? Debit or credit? Please, everyone, online student can answer my question now. Debit or credit? Kenapa kedudukan kewangan? Mana kedudukan kewangannya? Here don't have the kedudukan kewangannya. Oh, thanks. Yeah. Kenapa? Because teacher careless so I lost 1 mark lah. Okay, Penyata Penyesuaian Bank Bada. Thanks, Disalini. Okay, teacher also like too careless already. Okay, thanks. So this one, please, everyone, for those who copy here, right? So please change it. Teacher careless, so sorry here. Okay, you change to the Penyata Penyesuaian Bank instead of the kedudukan kewangan. Okay, yeah. Okay, do too much kedudukan kewangan already. Okay, come back here. So you see the kesilapans, right? So focus on your buku tunai. Focus on for buku tunai for your kesilapan. Ask yourself, sebelah debit or credit? Debit or credit, everyone?
Credit.
Credit. Okay, write down there, credit. Okay, credit. And then ask yourself, 1,001 is considered more or less? Lebih or kurang? 1,001. You see, the correct one is 1,000.
Okay.
So for this one, 1,001 is considered more or less? Lebih or kurang? Lebih, right? So you write down there, the lebih. So you get the statement already lah. Again, how to know this statement? Okay, come. One more. Okay, for the kesilapan, only refer your buku tunai. Buku tunai, okay? Kesilapan. So ask 2 questions only. First question, ask yourself, is in debit or credit? So 1,001 in credit, isn't it? So you write down there, credit. Okay. And then after that, so second question, ask yourself, 1,001 is considered more or less? Lebih or kurang? Compare here lah. So the 1,001 is considered lebih. So you write down here the lebih. Understand here? Okay. So terlebih credit, terlebih credit. So you come back this one. Can you see here? Here got the terlebih. Is it the lebih credit over here? Yes or no? Is it the lebih credit over here? Can see this part? Highlight, please, everyone. So can you see this one, the lebih credit over here? No, right? Okay. So no, then which means your kesilapan become dollar. Okay. So again, because kesilapan, you see your kesilapan. Oops. You see the kesilapan here can be tanpa, can be dollar. If tanpa, right, your T and C, okay, your rules must terlebih debit or terkurang credit. But just now you did is terlebih credit. But here, no terlebih credit. No terlebih credit, which means you cannot put tanpa. You do to the dollar. Do to the dollar. So you write down here kesilapan. Okay, so which is syarikat maniam, and then you dash kesilapan. Some school teacher, they will teach you kesilapan dalam buku tunai also can. Okay, and then please bracket ya, which mean the perbezaan 1,001 minus 1,000. So you get another 1 marks. Okay, so maybe your school teacher, right, they don't explain like this reason, guide you like this one. They do like the common sense, So you terlebih bayar lah, then actually it's wrong lah, blah, blah, blah. So you want to use the common sense also can, but I'm not going to explain to you. Okay, so I'm using my method here. Okay, if you understand your school teacher that want the common sense, yeah, you go ahead, you can do using that method. Okay, for those who don't understand, then you're using my method here because this is like the fix already. As long as you know, find the statement lebih or kurang sebelah debit or credit, then you can refer here. Can ya? Okay. So now fully complete already. So then you total up. Can somebody total to teacher for the tanpa deposit that one? Some you total the dollar to teacher.
$5090 is total of
5090.
deposit belum dicairkan.
So remember to put negative ya, 240. Negative 240 plus 5090 equals to how much?
485.
4850. How about the check belum dikemukakan? Then dollar must bracket 5550. Okay, then negative 200 ah. How come different ah? Negative how much?
7.
Negative 700. Is it any we didn't do yet? Because teacher here can't get the 7 perintah got circle just now.
Got 7 perintah ya deh. Actually, we terlepas because you.
Oh, 7 perintah we got a circle or not? Wait. You see, that's why teacher do too much annotate. So that's why. Wait
The answer is negative 200, right?
Yeah, the answer it should be negative 200 So wait here, come back here. Oh, I forgot to put the 500 over here also. Okay, come. You see Okay, everyone, please put down your stationery. It's a good case study here. Why? Because so our answer wrong already. How we know that? You see, this is a negative 700. For this one, it should same with your Buku Tunai, negative. Why negative, right? Form 4, chapter 4, you learn already. HB bring forward to the BB. So your BB di sebelah credit. You see, your basic, your foundation must be strong, right? So please advise your friends. Yeah. Okay. This one is a comeback to the Form 4 combined. Okay, you see, your BB di sebelah kredit, buku tunai luangan bank, BB di sebelah kredit bermaksud overdraft bank. Please write down yourself, yeah. Okay. Again, yeah, for your BB di sebelah kredit and buku tunai luangan bank, Form 4, Chapter 4 already belajar, which means it's an overdraft bank, which means negative 200. For this question, it should be negative 200, but we did negative 700, which means we got the mistake already. We do mistake already. So you go to find different negative 700 and the negative 200. It is different 500, isn't it? So can you see this one? Teacher, we forgot to circle this one. Can see this one? The 500 sewa perintah sedia ada. We forgot to put the circle, the answer, which is this one. Where's my right? Wait, now my right. This one, 500. Sewa perintah sedia ada. Okay? So the 500 here, this one, it should plus or minus. Plus or minus. So come back here.
Plus.
This is the 500 in which part? Penyata bank, isn't it? And then sebelah debit, correct? Penyata bank sebelah debit. Can you see this one? Penyata bank debit. Penyata bank debit. So it says, wait, where is it? Penyata bank, can you see this one? Penyata bank debit. Penyata bank debit. So tanpa. Tanpa. Understand here? So we write down here tanpa. So which is apa itu? Sewa perintah. Perintah sedia ada 500. So which is a 5590. And then this one is a 53, right?
Yeah, 535.
Okay, so here become negative 200. Okay. So come back here. This one, negative 200, we got the statement here, which means we need to write some things here. So how write what, right? So you see here, bagi di buku Tunai. This one fixed already. You just change either debit or credit. Okay. So come back here. You see this one is a bracket, right? Bracket. So you see negative, which means negative, means credit, which means you write down here credit. So that's why you do, when you do, right, step by step. Again, okay. So for bagi di buku Tunai is fixed already. Okay. So you just add on either debit or credit. How to know that? You see negative means credit. So now you do the negative already, ma. So here you change to credit, lo. Okay. So that's why you write down here bagi credit di buku Tunai. Okay. Done. So which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one is 500. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. For this question, 13 marks. Okay. Okay, I love to do this question, but not sure your SPM tourism and the Sabana got come out or not, because 2022 come out already. 2022, yeah. Okay. So and then maybe ask, hey,